Every cup of coffee begins here, where the first light of morning touches rows of ripening cherries. The journey starts with careful hand harvesting, where only mature cherries are selected. Every picker works in rhythm, gathering thousands of cherries that will soon enter industrial processing. Freshly harvested cherries are immediately gathered to preserve their quality and moisture. As the morning progresses, the plantation transforms into a coordinated system of collection and movement.
The harvested cherries are loaded quickly to begin their journey toward processing. Within hours of being picked, the coffee cherries are already moving toward the factory.
Even transportation inside the plantation is designed to keep the harvest moving efficiently.
The individual harvest teams now feed into a larger logistics network.
The first mechanized stage begins as equipment takes over the heavy movement of the crop. The processing factory appears in the distance, waiting to receive the day's harvest.
Every load is prepared carefully because freshness is essential to producing quality coffee. The harvested cherries are now heading toward the processing facility, where transformation will begin.
The scale of modern coffee processing begins to reveal itself.
Within these walls, millions of coffee beans will begin their industrial journey.
Every arriving truck becomes part of a carefully timed processing system. The harvest is seconds away from entering the factory's first processing stage.
The raw harvest has arrived, and the transformation of coffee is about to begin.
The moment the cherries enter the hopper, the factory's logistics system comes alive. Conveyors immediately transport the harvest, reducing handling time and preserving freshness.
Vertical transport systems move the harvest efficiently through multiple levels of the facility.
Every movement inside the factory is carefully controlled by a network of conveyors and transfer systems. The incoming harvest is organized into streams that keep production balanced and continuous. Short-term storage buffers allow the factory to process massive volumes without interruption. Human oversight remains essential even in highly organized industrial operations. An interconnected transport system links every stage of production within the facility. Each transfer point is designed to maintain continuous flow while minimizing damage to the cherries. The factory records every kilogram entering production, ensuring precise inventory control. Ground transportation and conveyor systems operate together in a carefully coordinated rhythm. The logistics cycle extends beyond processing, preparing equipment for the next harvest. Even the movement of containers is managed with the same precision as the coffee itself.
The harvest now reaches the section where cleaning and preparation will soon begin.
Inside the receiving hall, logistics transitions into the first stages of processing. The transportation journey ends where cleaning and preparation begin. The coffee has reached its first processing station, where the transformation from freshly harvested fruit to coffee beans truly begins.